Are you okay? You ready for this?
I have no idea. I mean, what about you? I mean, you're the one who's leading the Cohens, doing the college thing.
I'm terrified.
Me too.
So if you ever want to talk or email if they have that. I don't know how boats work, but...
I'll find a way to stay in touch. Hey, what's that?
This guy's been following me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Pass. What is he doing?
What the hell?
All right, hold on.
Whoa! Oh my God, it's him. What are you doing? Oh my God, okay, pull over.
Where?
Stop! What the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna get him to pull the car over so we can finally finish this.
Get away, okay? You're
Pull
gonna
her over!
Stop it! Ryan, look out!